look like it.
Yes. Who is calling?
Oh, I never mind.
Mommy! But Mom, I wanted to tell you something. I'm not liking the environment here in Ghana.
Why?
I want to go back to school in the States because I can take it anymore.
That is what. You're an African, okay? You better start getting used to this environment, alright? Okay, it's alright. Calm down, okay? When you finish your junior high school, you'll back to the States, okay?
Promise me.
Cross my hands.
Good! But Mom, you told me Dad was gonna come this month, but he's not yet in.
Sweetheart, that's not the issue now, okay? Later you talk to your dad, okay? Phone your phone, alright? But now, we're talking about your school. And that should be the key point right now, okay?
Love matters. Oh, let's see the picture.
Now so free.
Thank you. Yeah, hello, madam.
Ernest?
Hello, madam, it's me, Ernest.
Where are you, Ernest? I've been calling your line, it's not going through. Where are you?
I don't know, I would have to ask around, I don't know. But...
And where's my daughter?
Madam, your daughter has been kidnapped.
What? Your daughter kidnapped? Where? How?
Madam, I don't know. I don't know. have to ask around.
Please, where are you now? Where are you?
Pacho, what happened, sir?
Pacho, hi, I'm very happy to you.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, madam? Hello? Hello? Pacho, phone do.
Pacho, I'm off for how until you light.
Thank you. Pacho, hina menya car, hina mo.
Me Pacho, when you can crowd when you are in your car. The station. I am fast down.
Pacho, me dance what? Me sure me dance.
Yes. Boss, make I ask you, what if the woman of you pay in? What money you won't make you travel with?
Your word, man. I have some little money we can change.
Okay.
Brother, I hear everything you people are talking over here. Please, this time, I don't want to fight you. Please, give me the money, Margo. Anything where I say, Nagan, we go touch it. Anything where I say, Nagan, go touch it. Give me money, man, I go. And then you touch gun. What kind of life is this? What kind of life are we living for this place? Hey, Mila.
Now, what do you want to say? We are not pumping out duty. We pump people from nothing.
If you find out who is Fisa,
if you find
now who did know your Madame Budi homes.
that's some message, maybe some questions we are wanting. This is what happened, madam.
I don't think so. You know, as a politician, things like this could always happen. But India is not my country, so I can't place hand on anything. I can't even remember. There's no one. I can't remember anything. I'm not having any problem with anyone.
Okay. We'll never be touched. We'll never be touched. I think I have to do an inquiry and get back to you, okay? I think I have to take your revenge to station for my information. Let's go.
Please excuse me, okay?
Meaning you know him, right?
Exactly. So what do we do now? What are we going to do?
Okay. Let's involve in the police. Once we have his voice, we can track him down.
Let's not involve the police in this, okay? Let's handle it secretly, okay? I don't want to involve the police. That guy is very dangerous. I know him. If he has any clue that I've involved the police, if he notices I involved the police, he might end up killing my daughter. I beg you, let's not involve the police at all.
The police are very intelligent. The police could do all their means to get back your daughter without anything happening to your daughter. If you're saying so, I know what to do. Okay? Just don't worry, I know what to do.
Please try your best for me, okay?
Do everything for me. I know what to do.
Seems you're not serious, eh? I've given you 3 days, and you all messed up. I'm giving you another 3 days just because of the friendship I had with you in the past. Do you understand me? Look, give her a death slap.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, because you know now, because I'm going to pay you. Don't let anything happen to my daughter.
I'll kill her if you don't care. I want my money 3 days, or else I'm taking her across the Burkina Faso border into Cote d'Ivoire, and you'll never see her again.
Please, Biko.
3 days.
Hello.
As I had a discussion with you, I'm going to bring your driver back from the south to help me to locate the village where your daughter has been kidnapped. So he's out purposely to help the whole scenario. And you know what? I have some men that I want you to lead them to the village where you said you were kidnapped, so that they could track those people. Okay?
Officer, with all due respect, if I can lead your guys to the village, I can do it. I simply can lead them.
What are you talking about? You will not take them to the village, eh? You want them to kill my daughter? You're not serious. Hey! I don't want you to get me upset. Okay? You must take them there to get my daughter back. Okay? If they want to kill you, let them kill you. I wonder why they didn't even kidnap you and let my daughter go. I wonder why they did not kidnap you and let my daughter go. What are you saying that you're doing? You know what me here worry she? You try and reach it, no. They don't want with you. You can't do it, you have not started. My friend are called.
See those guys, a cat was placed in my mouth. I nearly lost my life. It's like I simply can't do it.
So you cherish your life more than the life of my daughter, right?
Officer, listen, I was brutally handled through the bush, okay? I was tied up in the bush. I was slapped severally, blindfolded. A gun was placed in my mouth. I nearly lost my life. You're here asking me to go back to that village. Also, tell me if I'm your brother, would you ask me to go back to that village? To that bush? No.
Just in case you're focusing yourself. I said I took risk coming up. I mean, bringing you out of this house. And it's all about. If you're going to help us, or you're going to help my men to locate where the daughter, as you said, were kidnapped, including yourself, then you'll be free. So you either go with my men, or you go back to yourselves. So are you going or you're not going? These are my guys, as I told you about. He's Fred and he's Jake. Jake and Fred, her name is Madam Choice, the Nigerian ambassador to Ghana. And then there is Ernest, the driver I told you about.
Ernest?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, boss. All we need from him now is his cooperation. 1, you do not make or receive calls in public concerning this operation. 2, you lay your ears down on the ground. Report to us anything suspicious. Alright, that's all.
Please, I beg you. Try your best and get my daughter back. It hurts me so much that all these things are happening. Just try and get her back for me. I will reward you handsomely. Okay?
Madam, you can count on us. We are professionals. Yeah.
Okay.
We are set to go.
Right.
Do you know Nigeria where you been talking about? Do you know that place? Ah, why are you telling me that? You are telling me so don't lie. Don't try it. Everything. Bro, you are delaying me. You are delaying me. Please.
You can go.
I can go. I came here because of the money. Not you come and kidnap somebody's daughter. What are you trying to tell me?
No money for you until I finish this deal. Can't you get that into your head? The grace.
You are leaving me. I beg you, I will slap you. Brother!
Baako ɛda hɔ ne deɛ ɛyɛ si de mpema biasa ai bosome bia magi mu si de mpema biasa
No board.
Which is
30 cities
30 Ghana cities. Okay.
30 cities
Can I 300,000?
ai
Is there any problem with you?
shit
Amwesi.
minim se nkomo nsran de so asan kam na mpacho me de kwaduo no mu a ha mo de
Mpacho, they maintain 30 cities.
Scadio no problems oh na
Mpacho, me person who say a dry, I mean, washroom inside.
ah for am horo kana
Debut.
na fi ade na
See,
mo
if you
shuru mo
try
eja na bia ne ba bia mo bedwale na wa kan basa asa no
Mpacho,
e na wo pen we
they were inside.
ade na kurumfo de ntimi nsi eja na bia no ni ba bia mo bedwale enyina wo dem ho wo ba bede waja na ho na da ha ye de duafie ana ho ye pleasing me de me ndem ye fie ha de san kwase asem ne ni ha o eja na no krampo no betwa kwansini miensa ansa no akogya na ate adwae de bu a betimi adwale ama ho ato na sole ahom na che makogya na aba so betimi de a betimi
No, it's okay, it's okay.
I say, manage. They manage.
On the funny
I got some more. I want to use a fan, bro. I will hear back. Yeah, I am a teacher. You answer me a home. Yeah. You might be more so many. What in your home? When you're birthday, baby, I had a night behind me. I'll be telling you why.
Hey, listen, you're testing my patience, yeah? Look, let me tell you something. You know what I can do if you don't bring that money today. Okay? I won't tell you again.
Stop crying. Everything will be okay. Madam, please. I just pray so because I can't believe this is happening to me. I can't believe it. God will do it. Please, madam, God will do it. Madam, stop crying. I know my God will do it. Oh, madam. Stop doing this. God. Please, I need you to help me. Help me. My only daughter. God will do it. Madam, do this to me.
William Frema and your boy. Kurumha Monamo Kutiribaji. My Hemoa Minimuni. I do Mamoka Samuba Kurumhaba, Ababaji Dan Mayan. Women who that mean who and I'm more than another baby, my fofro. Moanka saying, be a dead man.
But then the last comment one TSC.
You can't blow for my from the grammar.
You can't put a 71 to the neighbor sections. The tennis home, it may be from Kakra and what yes. Ye network operators, many million. Ye more network company view, cookies him. The tennis say, ye, if you move and Krum had a more like a network. I buy a behind you and say, if I say best save Krum had. And in Kunet was soon, never be a network in your juma. Now I see a mountain pools on sending a year. Moving a network at my core. You say, and I think we're back by SAV. That's a service in Chennai. It's a mamma course now. Won't mean your course. It's a say a woman now, when your service, it's me a year course. And anything about. So as I will add a year, PB and a kubush. PB and a kubush on me, okay? Be a month full, a full being in with the way species a bit midi pool and see.
Oh, yeah, no more dear see me. And yes, I dear more kind of sadia. My idea, the Mr. Krum higher one. Opa saw your qua. Bravo bre. Network no. If you're not quasha, not quasha, if you're not quasha, there could me, they be me your call. Mijina phones is an article. Very rate if you should not NKONYAA network. Had they? My idea, some about room. I'll quibby, none was a wanty. Oh, I'll quite a network in a Jania Shakubisu. No, so fish when you were fruit to a network. No, coaching network to an any Cassan. Oh, Fufian Twata. I will always in Korean time casino. Read him. Not wonder, not for a castle. And that's some good for I tea, Kurana for.
Yes.
Ye just here, Near Nipakura no and Kasa. Hello, you're 2 years near phone in a session. Send and maybe now and money tea phone so. Now phone better phone. Battery use any panda so Casa. Say, yeah, say, yeah, Papa send me and Tam Cassia now walk a Korea enough. I call me, we are sure I went in the work. When Sacromini cry, look at a encyclopedia drink. When I find time, clutch as a wolf, when you could kiss you, when you're nephew. Hey, also mean you need to go up and say, tell what you will. You say, if we acquire our boy, me, who could kiss you. First, a cranny a type running a type I know. They say, dear, we're standing firm into a science sanity. Oh, what about you, man? No, about everything. Subway, Subway, Macho Banana, Miano, Macho Banana, my film fam, no, Maya, eh, Baba, no, my film fam, no, Maya, I wait, Stone. Ah, that's that one. What's that power? I said, you said. Ni pursue am here. My idea. If you say, what driving you? You come to Krum high away. Anyway, what be peppy anyhow. So, tomorrow might be some visit poor in the onion, Papa. Ah, the entire Musa, Mamma, and Hamu. When I'm so, my mamma will be I wanted a person upon one. Say, America for 2 on my. Quantana move for you, Crofomi and me. Oh, yes, you are my dear, who are quite damn. Not as a mukram, take a look at you move. Macram work classic calamity. Oh, yes, my penny because it's our mobile. Yajin to get the album, that's why. Yanny, I won't cry. I'm on 4 o'clock, a cassette, woman at Abba, 21 black, Abacum, and I'm sure Debbie, my save more honor. I'm sure Debbie. More money on me, a cock off. I'm saying, dear. We are safe. Madame Monsu, why? Ah, Grandma. Oh, young mamma, you are say, ye dear Granny, dear girl. Back to man find some more baby, a yago bunny. Grandma will buy Master James. Mokobia, would you bring me up a age watching? If you are higher, why you fear, Yaman Conam tell. Miniman and impending four. A jam hawk on Yasam Kitwa. They say Bema Bakwa come when himself Bema de Kitwa being. Timmy, near Dimitri if you ask me if he is. A woman to a more quadia, but they be almost some other. And mammy, I dream puffer could you. Near me be singing now, catch them. Tina and mammy Busamon. Now so a coming near Baba. Miss Sam. Oh, yan me, Miss Sam, woman in why? There be a far wood much, there be a Mahupa. Now say, oh, your boy, me a boy. Me can't answer me, I jealous. Now to me, man can't be hammy. To Miss Remo, Mamma funny, you watching cock. My very young one said, on also swab and you know, swab a vagabond boy at 2 feet. So I China for a back room, but I sister penny behead. One more back room, free hackle, and Kala, my woman, 72. And no floor be bass manwa. Now I'm China Casajay, because so friend when on corner no I say, want some boy, should I lack on town time? As I said, some yet do a term fine near Jaffa also call Miss them. If you have it, when you know where you're meeting, I may take you over to me so gaga. Will you go home at me so gaga? Where the anointing I'm feeling, I'm money.
Where did the woman now? Brother, where is the goal now? Where is the goal? Brother, you promised me to give me the money. Why you don't want to give me this money? What's the matter with you? Huh? You are telling me when my mother you promised to take care of me. You want me to go sell myself to give you the money? I'm not your father. This thing where you do is not good, it's not good, it's not good. When my mother you say you take care of me. I'm going to give you the money. But until I close this deal, I have no money. No, I know where you.
So, Jack, me say, thanks very much for whatever you're doing, okay? But my wife a friend said, my papa na yemunya kra. You know, just me go kesi mu ko share to tunia mana. Say, I don't know if you can come and join him back.
All right.
You know. Why? That's it. No, when I said this, I could listen to you kesi mana papa and me free how much? 5.
No problem.
Why na me ko? Na me so try so be catch Fred amame. Why?
Only problem.
So
I never pass.
The money na largely na me na.
The only thing is why they make us.
Ernest. Unkro for na ba kru, I don't want yana. I don't tell us so much, sir. Huh? One man make to consider. What do you call? Oh, one more difference. What do you call? Now, Papa and Catman cry. What about trouble to Tini? One man didn't come over. So what? Me what is even Miss Anno? So what? Nice, say, what I know who about trouble and Timpum. What about you, Kurea Bosso? As I be and to money from so we need to see one thing. Don't mind what you did. Mete, but answer Kaibi, I'm your kind now, Betram. Nadiana Mudisipur. Oh, well, cum. I'm so any, Mapo Madiaco, immediately. Panam Sherman Pabway, Nam Terrace. We chop consume and sample, putting tea with so. Me drew swat, I said, for woman, when I am Bagadin. I don't know some years. Minim se Paul Crana Mukosi in my phone of Panama, drew her be anyone.
But we don't go funny.
Zimbabwe.
So, dear, I see woman feeding you know, on one idea.
Wabu.
I see woman feeding.
Wabu. Commando, there was a poor me. Oh, Chuck Commando, you are not say, more treachery, Miss War. And only at the court rubber for we see harbor. And also, so I don't want private jet, plane ticket, me at the Belkumasi. And so my far car cook, Master Quaji. My better papa, boy, my brother.
Senior Cassana. Okay.
Me was a come, don't come more jinkra. Yes, my wife a friend said, my penny na yemunya cry. I was a banner, maybe she fee. I know. The question was a boy, my dear son of me.
How crack I made it. Oh, quack way. Now the same new years. A down stone boy in the Bitiaka. Oh, yeah, but that's it. We don't want a better woman. I beg you also. A down crack any papa on them, dear man. Mohana stone boy, this cabinet. I feel me who and Miami and some of them. I'm saying, and any me, we are stone boy. No, my baba, you knew about on the magic. If you say, a down will be ada. Huh? Because some of the many papa for my tree. Me free stone boy so for me, but you, my way, at it. I know home back, Rami Sampo, a boy at Yama, Bakuno, Abaji, at it. I feel Panaco, another habit now because and at the end, yes, my papa. Well, I saw crowd here, I am. Don't bite.
Zomo, Jenny Gabriel, and finding proof for the bread.
Open up.
And last number 29 your crowd. Same one.
Now, second strength.
Say my mosque can see. By a journey, your woman, and a pregnancy. Be young Kwame.
Open down.
That him getting. But I don't know how will it be far to do the
My cheese a jump when you mean the cheap baby. Woman, yes,
a crack a crack, one answer.
She scan soon, Mamma get to her.
Just make it to a beer with them. Oh, my brother anymore.
There be you.
She also had to get to our one and be to our.
Fine, show the oko. Listen again.
Okay, boss. Bajuani. Yeah, the tenant say active very fast. Alright, sir. But boss, the tenant say as at now, it mean ya trace. Be a bit me the attract again. Bajuani. You trace be it mean track a grand here. But as at now, we are still working. We are still working behind time, sir. Yes, sir. Let me get back to you, boss. Please.
Then I'll call daddy.
Watch it. You peer me your corner. Corner me peer. I hear corner me girl. You suspect him. But good. You get me a Tracy now. No come.
Please, let me go home. Please.
Oh, I'm sorry, little sister. This is not my fault. But listen, very soon your mom will bring my boss some money and we will leave you. Okay?
I'm writing exams in school. After the exams, I'm gonna come back, please.
Yes, what's going on out here?
The kid said I should free her to go write exams and come back.
Yes, please, yes.
Oh, where's my brother?
I thought you guys went together.
What do you mean by that? He said he wanted to come with me. I said no. He should go back, and he did.
Oh, I don't know anything about that.
What? Guy took my last money.
Okay, come. Get back.
my leg's paining me, then I have a twisted ankle, and then you can't find it. You guys should go back. Okay?
Okay, boss.
Go.
Take care, boss.
Why is busy?
They busy. Yeah, for business already again.
I don't know. Somebody kicked me from behind.
Yeah.
Go down!
Where the hell did you get taking that girl to, huh?
Who the hell are you to understand? We are sending her back to her mom.
Look, do not know what you're talking about. This does not concern the two of you. It's between me and my business partner. And you don't seem to get involved in this. Don't think about it, okay?
Now listen, we are good citizens. We do not tolerate this nonsense.
Then you go and tell your ambassador to pay me my money, because she cheated me. Let me tell you, you better mind your business. And now you're not even taking that girl anyway without paying my money, okay?
We are sending her back to her mom.
Lady J, where you coming from? Where are my guys?
They got murdered by these two wicked guys.
They what? Friend!
Again, how would you catch a Trizano? I will make you a tree. I don't
get it.
Oh, to be Ghana, who be Pyramid, how? You did watch it.
Okay. I was kidnapped. I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador and I was kidnapped.
Professor, we didn't move from Kumawood, watching my scene. Mammy, Professor, and Tokaba. It was his mamma's Professor. I mean, come across Casa. It's the how. As I'm sure your name to be Pamo. Bassimian coffee.
What?
Bassimian coffee, Dimachi.
I should follow you. You have to kill him when we get there. He's tall, he's wearing color, he has tattoo all over his body. I mean, he's having tattoo all over his body. I don't get you too. But you do, you have to kill him.
Wakunyame, a yapas, my shower. Wakubuamati, one Kikajame. Off Winyame. Oku, you know, when I'm a semester about way. I'm not a brofament. Hey, talk.
I should tell you. Okay, I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador in Ghana, and I was kidnapped. They were coming. Yeah, they were coming.
Waku, what's it?
Did I say coach chat from
Hey! One day!
Yeah, they were coming.
What tell you, come on, if you are not in
Maybe I'm at live base, I was to it.
Can you come? Are you a general pay? Oh, we got a money. That's a book. I mean, you won't tell me. But I tell you, school, I want more of one. Let me win at your name. We shall about what another government. Let me say, one of the out to school there. Make it warm up. I teach him,
Papa. Casa no kana, Brafona kana, Menentaso, on Tintemu, Brafona kana, on Tinta, Yeticha, Brafona channel, yet Tintemu, a cannibal, or no cano, as or Tichicasa, and Tiasi, and Tibrafona,
what? Teacher, make one room and one of women not running in Kuma. To make a check. I mean, come on, about anyone to do what can be in one better. Now, so I see what make us out. I must be just see what they do. And it's what we never see them wrong. Wait to be slow. Why?
Young lady, what is your problem?
Okay, you can get me right. Okay, I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador in Ghana, and I was kidnapped by some people. They were coming!
Eja, what can I say? When Nigeria man will see all Ghana. The back, wait.
Ain't there no one about one?
Not any money for being actually in our sea. Here, I say, no more. Can I ever imagine? I don't feel what.
What are we doing? Let's go! They were coming, let's go! What are you doing?
But you come to us. What took them on to talk us?
Yes, they were coming. Oh my God. Go! They were coming!
Oh, busy! Busy! Oh!
You see, I need to take you back to mommy. What say? No come on me. Yeah. Why? Why?
Seriously, I'm so happy. I lack words to really express how I really feel right now. I'm so happy. I want to say a very big thanks to you guys for bringing my daughter back. May God richly bless you, okay? Thank you so much. And my dear, I also use this opportunity to say sorry to you for the death of your friend. I'm really very sorry about that, okay? Accept my condolence. I'm very sorry. Mr. Fred, you have done so well. God bless you, okay? Thank you so much. And like I promised you, please help me give this to him. This is a sign of appreciation for what you've done for me, okay? And this one, you can send it to your friend's family. Let me give it to him. Okay, let them just use it for anything they want to use it for. God bless you so much, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. For making it possible for my daughter to be back, especially Mr. CID. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. and to my wonderful PA, may God bless you for me, for standing by me all through this storm. God bless you, my dear. My beautiful friend Mary, I thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for encouragement. Thank you for everything. God bless you for me. Thank you so much. I really lack ways to express my gratitude to all of you. Thank you so much. How can I forget my driver, my very special driver? Thank you so much for your tireless efforts towards making sure that my daughter will come back. If not for you, I don't know how I would have been able to, how would I have been able to, get to my daughter or even, getting her back. God bless you for me. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Lest I forget my precious daughter. I'm very happy to have you back. Thank you so much.
Welcome, mommy.
God bless you. I want to say, I don't know, but I'm so grateful. From the depth of my heart, I'm very grateful. And I want to use this opportunity to announce to you all that I'll be relocating to China. I don't know if you'll be able to. Maybe this might be the last time we'll be meeting. I don't know when I'll be back, but I know that by the grace of God, we might meet again. Please do take good care of yourself. Thank you once again. Madam Masipa. Nyami Shira, baby. Thank you so much.